Rahmat. Presenting our next speaker, Councilman Ashfaq Syed is the first Indian Muslim American to win the seat of councilman in Naperville.
I think deserves a
I
round
think
of
that,
applause.
Naperville resident for 8
A strong Islam. Assalamualaikum. Yes, that's what our seniors are. MashaAllah. Assalamualaikum. Thank you so much, Shakir Bhai, Sister Sadia, for inviting us to this wonderful opening. It is very difficult to speak after Sabir Bhai. Very, very difficult. It is not easy, you know. So, MashaAllah, he's such an amazing speaker. Very powerful words, and matching his speech is impossible for me. But still, I will try my best. So I know most of the uncles and aunties here because I am friends with their sons and daughters, and they had a lot of challenges during COVID time. And I used to tell the people, yes, COVID time is the toughest time we all have faced. Physical, mental, financial, every stress we all have gone through during that time. And I've seen all our seniors what they have gone through. Because being at home is not easy. My mom was at home. She was not meeting with us, with their own sons, because she was staying with my elder brother, but I was not able to go to her place. For 6 months, we were not able to meet. We used to do a Zoom call, we used to do a WhatsApp call, and meet with each other. But such organizations can bring people together is amazing. I'm so happy that we have got Capital Care in the community who bring people together and help support physically, mentally, emotionally, and also with food. So that is again a very, very important. Without food, definitely we as a South Asian community members, it is impossible. And food is the thing where we bring people together. So thank you so much for doing all this thing, what you have done. I have seen the videos. I have met with so many aunties in that video. Physical exercise is definitely the best thing what we all have been doing it. I think you just want me to stop again. Yeah. So physical exercise is something which we all are doing it, and we have got Dr. Hansavi also here, who is a doctor who can guide us, about the physical exercise and we have got a good yoga teacher with us as Sister Sabha, who teaches about health and all wellness, So this is something which is very critical. Food is critical, and spiritual prayers and all those things is very critical. So all the things what you people have been doing is amazing, I can see. Definitely, I want my mom also to join, but she lives in Plainfield with my elder brother. I don't know, I can convince her or take a commitment to join this organization, but I will try. And I always tell to all my seniors, like Sabir Bhai said, 30 years, 40 years, and 50 years ago, when you people came to this country, that with a vision, and because of you all, we are here today. 50 years ago, like Uncle, I know you very well. You made your son governor. That was your mission. That was your vision, and you made it. And 50 years ago, I know how things were there in US, especially in Chicago. Getting halal food was a challenge. Going to a supermarket was a challenge. And going to a masjid was a challenge. Going to a shopping mall was a challenge. Everything was a challenge. But still, you people have done so much for the next generation. Hats off to you, each and every parent here. I have the highest respect to all my senior citizens who have done so much for the younger generation. And now it is on us that we need to take this forward. And we are the people who need to take care of each and every senior. So thank you so much once again, and congratulations for organizing and hosting all of us. Thank you.